You want to hit the country and do it in high style? Time to check out the Keystone Montana High Country full profile fifth wheel lineup. Keystone is America's #1 manufacturer of luxury fifth wheel models, and the Montana High Country certainly hits some huge points in luxury RV camping. We'll go through a few select floor plans here, but first, let's check out features making the Montana High Country so fantastic. Where do people look first? Generally, where they're either eating or lounging. So, let's hit the highlights of the Montana High Country kitchen. Just look at that fridge. It's an 18.6 cubic foot fridge with a 2,000 watt inverter and a consistent inverted outlet. You can also opt for a smaller fridge, which is a 13 cubic footer. The stove is beautiful. Larger than normal, you'll get a 24-inch Furion stove with matching stainless steel drawer. The stove has an integrated flame failure device, so if the gas knobs accidentally get turned on, no gas comes out until the flame is lit. And if the flame goes out, gas stops flowing, which is a great safety feature. The cooktop is large enough for 3 full-size pots and has sealed cooktop burners to keep any spills from going to places you would rather not. And a large 1.6 cubic foot microwave sits directly above it. Cleanup and meal prep is made a lot easier via the oversized double bowl stainless steel sink with a high-rise pull-down faucet within a solid surface countertop. Prep includes cutting, and cutting means knives. The Montana High Country also has a magnetic knife holder, so you no longer have to store them in the drawers. Speaking of which, the drawers pull out completely via full extension ball bearing drawer guides. More storage comes in the form of sleek modern cabinets in beautiful decorative cabinet glass. More decor includes the hardwood front centerpiece in the kitchen island and the hardwood slide out fascia. This leads us to the dinette, which can be booth or freestanding depending on the floor plan. Now we hit the living area. Serious lounging can occur here, with every Montana High Country having a tri-fold hide-to-bed sofa, or sometimes 2, and some have plush theater seats with electric recliners. Also, quick note about the floor in the slide-out. It's woven, so no worries about trapping dirt and carpet. In fact, no worries about dirt at all, as every Montana High Country comes with this central vacuum. Those theater seats are perfect for some nighttime or daytime TV viewing via the roller shades. Lounge and watch on a 50-inch smart TV in the living area with a JBL Cube stereo having 2-zone MyZone control. Speaking of control, you'll be able to control the temp in a High Country thanks to a 15K BTU ducted AC with heat pump and a black 3-blade ceiling fan to spread the cool. Chilly morning? No problem, as you get a 40,000 BTU furnace plus a 5,000 BTU electric fireplace. All right, let's check out the lavatory. You'll find a pressed membrane vanity countertop, porcelain foot flush toilet, and a residential 30 by 48-inch fiberglass shower with a skylight, molded accessory shelf, and glass enclosure. Plus, the large 16-gallon quick gas electric recovery suburban water heater works great for the shower. As for the Montana High Country bedroom, you'll first notice that bed. Yep, it's king size. All High Countries come with a very convenient set of CPAP shelves on both sides as well as outlets. Plus, you can read and relax under the bed slide ceiling lights. You can, if you choose, drop a TV into the bedroom as well, since there is TV prep. Closet space? Oh, you have a ton of it, plus the addition of washer-dryer prep, so you don't need to air your dirty laundry, so to speak. On the exterior of a Montana High Country, you'll notice you can easily get in and out via MORryde step-above entry steps with strut assist, so anyone can pull them down without getting hit in the head. Above your head, you have the Lippert awning with black fabric to absorb the sun's heat so you don't have to. Instead, you can kick back, relax, and enjoy the exterior JBL speakers. In the front, you'll find some vital features designed to make your RV life just a tad easier. Hitching hookup is made much easier via Hitch Vision with LED lighting, and for turning, you have Max Turn technology, which adds a whopping 8 inches of turning radius. Once at your campsite, you have easy ground control 4 or 6-point auto leveling with hitch memory. Not only does it help you level, but it also remembers where the hitch point was to make it easier to hook back up. Backup camera prep helps with that too. Regarding storage, you'll get storage space galore with most models having large pass-through storage with slam latch doors. To make life easy, every Montana High Country has a convenient control station with everything in one place. Water connections, water heater bypass valve, black tank flush, outside shower with quick connect hose, key TV satellite cable and antenna source control, and a lot more. Oh, also important to know, you get a fully walkable roof with Alpha seamless TPO membrane system. It's also worth mentioning that every Montana High Country comes with a rear ladder and a spare tire. Not that you need a ladder and spare tire at the same time, but it's always nice to know they're there if and when you need them. Every Montana High Country comes with a pair of battery disconnects, one specifically dedicated for the refrigerator inverter. To save juice in your battery, even with the available Dragonfly lithium batteries, you get some help from the sun in the form of the Keystone exclusive SolarFlex package. The Keystone SolarFlex 200 comes standard, and you have options to upgrade it to harness even more of the sun's power. For more power, you can hook up a generator. Every Montana High Country is generator prepped. If you're considering full timing or cold weather camping, you'll be pleased to know that every High Country comes with the 4-season living package that's tested and approved for use in 0 degrees. This package includes insulated underbelly with forced air heat and 12-volt electric tank heaters, reflective foil insulated front cap, Astrofoil insulated slide floors and underbelly, and a whole lot more. But how well, you may ask, is a Montana High Country constructed? A short answer is extremely well, as they're built to last camping season after season. You'll get welded aluminum framed walls and floors with 2-inch thick laminated sidewalls, having dual layered Luan and a double insulated laminated rear wall. Underneath, you'll find a 10 or 12-inch steel I-beam frame with Z-frame technology. You'll also get true fit slide construction, providing a solid seal to keep water out of there as well. Every Montana High Country also has color-coded unified wiring, which takes the guesswork out of the electrical system. Lastly, to help prevent roads rattling everything, you get road armor suspension with 360-degree vibration control. Now we come to the floor plans, but a slight detour first. Just a note, but as you may know, a Montana High Country fifth wheel is full profile, and as such, they're fairly large. They average around 13,000 pounds unloaded. This means you're going to need a pretty big truck. Let's highlight a few floor plans and do it by size. The 35-foot 311RD is lounging excellence. You'll get a U-shaped kitchen providing a ton of counter space. Opposing slide-outs make for a dominating living area that comes with the rear wall covered in entertainment. Up front, the bed is in a large slide-out complete with a wardrobe closet and washer-dryer prep. The bedroom also has a pair of dressers. Outside, you'll get a kitchen with a pantry, griddle, and fridge. The 311RD can sleep 4. The 351BH is 39 feet of bunkhouse awesomeness capable of sleeping 8. The bunk area has a pair of double beds. The living area has a pair of massive slide-outs and a nice kitchen island. And check out the 351BH outside kitchen. 23-inch griddle, fridge drawer, metal storage drawer with cutting board outlets, it's got it all. Need 2 bedrooms? No problem. The Montana High Country 381TB not only has 2 full-size bedrooms, but each has a full bath as well. Twin suites. This 42-plus foot beauty is all set for a pair of couples to live their best RV life together, yet have privacy. The rear bedroom suite even has its own exterior entrance. In the middle, you'll find a very spacious living area with opposing slide-outs. The 385BR is what you could call a front living bunkhouse office on the road fifth wheel. I know that it's a lot, but it has a lot built in its nearly 41-foot frame. In the back is a classic rear living arrangement with large opposing slide-outs. Up front, you'll find a large master bedroom with front cap wardrobe closet and washer-dryer prep. In the middle is where it gets special. There's a bunk room with a hide-a-bed sofa and a desk, office space, and bedroom. Above this space is a loft. Therefore, the 385BR can sleep up to 9. As you can see, every Montana High Country floor plan has something special to bring to the campground and beyond. Whatever you're searching for in a luxury, full-profile fifth wheel, you will find it in a Montana High Country. Want to find the Montana High Country nearest you? Simply visit campingworld.com.